Hello and welcome to Phonics Factory. Today, we're going to learn about the sound "ah." Let's say it together. Ah. Can you think of any words that begin with the "ah" sound? Let's see if our machine has any of those. Orange. The sound at the beginning of orange is "ah." Can you hear it? Orange. Octopus. Does octopus start with an "ah"? It does. Well done. Parrot. A parrot? What is a parrot doing there? That doesn't begin with an "ah." Can you think of another bird that starts with the "ah" sound? How about ostrich? Did you think of that one? We're going to blend some of our letter sounds together to make words. I wonder if you can spot where our new sound "ah" is in the word. Are you ready? What is this sound? And how about this sound? And finally, what is this sound? Now we need to blend these sounds together to read the word. Ah. Do it with me. Ah. Now a little faster. Up. Up. Can you hear the word? Up. Mop. See, you're blending sounds together to read words. That is brilliant. Do you know any more words that start with the "ah" sound? See if you can find anything else beginning with "ah" today.
Find the pictures which start with the sound "ah." Find the pictures which start with the sound "ah." Find the pictures which start with the sound "ah."